Hey, what's up guys, and it's time to talk about the hidden flagship surprise from Samsung. The G9770F mysterious Samsung device is a beast indeed. Based on the similarity of the model number with the Galaxy S10 family, it's going to be a brand new addition to the already existing 3 Galaxy S10 models. According to Samuel.com, this device could be called as Galaxy S10 Lite. So, the name Galaxy S10 Lite. It is anything but light. According to the recent Geekbench benchmark leak, we can see that it's rocking a Snapdragon 855 chip. The scores are pretty high along with 8 gigs of RAM, something you don't even see on the Galaxy S10e. Clearly, this device is above and more powerful than a Lite phone and certainly more powerful than the Galaxy S10e. Samsung is trying to replace the S10e with something even better or larger because S10e is just a 5.8 small device. Since it's the end of the year, which means holiday phase is coming, it could prove to be a good move. It's also rocking Android 10, so most likely it will come with Android 10 out of the box if it's gonna be released this year. The specs of the S10 Lite is supposed to be based on the Galaxy A91 smartphone, which will most likely come in 2020. So the display size is said to be 6.7 inches, full HD+, a punch hole design, a 4370 mAh battery. Yes, we just got a certification from Brazil's Anatel network, and it shows a mysterious device with model number G9770F with this particular battery size. This further confirms that this phone is actually pretty ready to be released. I don't know when it's going to be released, but with the current certification, it definitely means that this phone is close to the launch. And as for the camera, it's going to have the camera similar to the Galaxy A90, the Galaxy A80, which is a triple camera setup, 48 megapixel plus 12 megapixel wide angle and a 5 megapixel depth sensor. As for the front, we can see a 32 megapixel selfie camera. So basically, this phone is a hybrid of Galaxy S10 and Galaxy A90. So you're getting the design from the S10 family and you're getting the specs of the best of Galaxy A series, which is the A91 or A90. You're only missing the flagship camera at this point, so this really makes this phone a very unique product. Galaxy S flagship design and Galaxy A specs sounds pretty amazing to me. Now, apart from this, Samsung is also working on N770F device, which is supposed to be a Galaxy Note 10 Lite. Honestly, it's a bit confusing, but Samsung is actually working on like lighter versions of these devices, and they are not actually light because they have the flagship chip in them. Again, we'll see more information on this in the coming days. Also in the news, Samsung has filed a new trademark for the term isocell motion. The isocell motion sensor can detect objects and movement. It could possibly be made for the Galaxy S11's gesture recognition function. We've already seen the motion stuff on the Pixel 4. It's nice, it's fun. Obviously, it's not that important, but it's still pretty cool to see something like that. So Samsung might actually be upgrading its motion features with the new isocell motion sensor. It's probably going to be with the front camera, and it will allow you to do motion stuff like skipping the song by just waving the hand, stuff like that. So that's about it. The hidden flagship from Samsung is indeed coming. It's a surprise. I never thought that it's going to have like Snapdragon 855 chip. I thought it would rock Snapdragon 730G, which is like the latest Qualcomm mid-range chip, but it's actually pretty much on point with the flagship devices out there. Again, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.